Element7 also offer an installation service. Our fitters have been with us for many, many years, some over 10 years. They're extremely experienced. They're actually cabinet makers and joiners by trade. There's a huge difference between an Element7 fitted floor and a standard fitted floor. Once the client has chosen their wood and the product has been ordered, we will check every single piece of plank or herringbone or whatever it is before it goes out. We then send the installation team down to site. They do a measure up, advise the client on whether there needs to be any subfloor work, acoustic underlay, etc. The level of detailing is extremely high. For instance, they will measure a room, they will take the centre point and they will put the first plank down so that when you get to the edges of the room, the planks are the same width. If they're going from room to room, we don't like to have thresholds in between the doors, so they will literally go through the doors. That might incur cutting skirting, cutting through door frames. Most fitters don't offer that service. Wooden floors are natural. Some of them, especially if they're smoked, there will be some variation. If we're fitting a floor that has some variation, we will make sure that the lighter planks or herringbone are in the middle of the room and the darker planks are near the windows, so therefore you get a blend. Also, if we're fitting a smoked floor and there is variation, we will look at numbering each piece, make sure the client is happy. If they want to move a piece around from one side to the other, etc., then we will renumber them and lay them in exactly that same order. Once the floor is fitted, the installation team will protect the floor with a layer of hardboard. This is taped into place and ensures that the floor is protected when all the other trades are still on site. When everyone has left site, the finishing team will come in and they will remove the hardboard and then they'll give the floor a polish and make sure it looks absolutely perfect for the clients.